Welcome back, Windows enthusiasts. Ever found yourself locked out of your administrator account on Windows 11? Don't panic. In today's quick guide, we'll show you the essential steps to recover your administrator account seamlessly. Right-click on the Windows Start button to kick things off. Simple, right? Open Settings, your gateway to system control. Click on Recovery. We're getting closer. Click on Restart. Let's reboot and make magic happen. Click on Troubleshoot. We're delving into the core now. Click on Advanced Options. Elevate your troubleshooting game. Click on Startup Settings. Almost there. Click on Restart. A reboot for the win. Press the F5 key. Time to take control. Right-click on the taskbar, a power move. Open Task Manager. Let's get technical. Click on Users. See who's in charge? Right-click on your username. Time to assert yourself. Click on Manage User Accounts, because you're the manager now. Click on Change Your Account Type. Make the necessary adjustments. Finally, restart your computer, the finishing touch. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like, please.